The top 5 benefits to being a freelancer. There are many advantages to starting a freelance business. Some of those advantages are less obvious than others. This presentation will run you through the top 5 benefits that come with starting a freelance business. Firstly, say goodbye to the work commute. Rolling from your bed to your workspace, yes, as tempting as it is, your bed probably should not be your desk. Via the kitchen, naturally, mere moments before you need to start work is an incredible thing. So say an enthusiastic goodbye to morning traffic. Secondly, you are no longer confined to a 9-to-5 existence. You'll get to set your own hours, so if you work better from 7 p.m. to 3 a.m., you have the power to do so, though you should probably contact your clients within regular hours. The flexibility you get that comes with having a freelance business is unparalleled. Not only can you avoid a commute and work from home in the hours that you choose, it will also change your work-life balance. You may find yourself working the same hours as you would with a regular job, but the time that you would spend commuting can now be used for spending time with your family or sleeping in. Freelancers have a better work-life balance than other people. These two things are often cited in terms of the benefits of freelance, and for good reason. Being in control of sick days, holidays, and work hours may seem simple upfront, but they will make a valuable difference to your life, and you will not want to go back. Thirdly, you get to set your own rate. Finally, you get to value your time as you see fit. You are not subjected to whatever wage your boss is willing to pay you. Instead, you get to set your own rate and only accept work from clients who will pay you what you are worth. You can tailor your fees based on what kind of lifestyle you desire, and it can increase as your experience grows. Fourthly, you also get to do work that you are genuinely passionate about. You are in charge of what you do, no one else. There are always new work opportunities for freelancers. You get to do different things, and it is all subject to your interests and whims. The variety of work is one of the highlights of freelance, and you can do it in such a unique and specialized manner. Finally, you get to be your own boss. Your successes will all be dependent on you and your hard work. While this may seem like a lot of pressure, it is so rewarding. Being your own boss means that you don't have to answer to anyone. You want a day off? Take one. In essence, freelancers get to make a lot of choices that most other people do not. Starting a freelance business will change your conception of work. You will be responsible for all elements of your business, and while it can seem overwhelming, this means the successes are yours and yours alone. There is no work like having a freelance business, and as fun as these benefits are, you still have to put in the hard work to succeed. When starting a freelance business, you will, of course, have decided what it is that you will be doing. Whilst a broad business idea can seem compelling in the beginning, over time, it should be narrowed down to a specific niche. There are many reasons that finding a niche can be beneficial to your freelance business. If you do not have one yet, it will not be of too much of a detriment. If you are still new to freelancing, whilst you work, over time, consider targeting your content towards a specific niche once you have decided what you want to do. No rush. Nevertheless, you should still be thinking about it. First, the ultimate reason to find a niche is that you want to be doing something that you are both good at and passionate about. Figure out what your expertise is and make that your niche. Playing to your strengths is the best thing that you can possibly do for your freelance business. The key to success is finding something that you are both good at as well as being passionate about. This will lead to a better quality of life for you as well as better results for your clients.